Alright, so you see what I'm working with. Got some of them tuna steaks marinated in that Allegro soy lime, and then some of that, it was a pack of 6. And I took 4 and put them in the Allegro soy lime, and then the other 2 I seasoned with Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. Those are the ones with the soy lime, and those are the 2 with the Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. So this is my first time doing some tuna steaks like this. So we definitely gonna try to do them right. I want to cook them how you need to. My goal is to expand the old cooking and get outside my comfort zone and really start trying some of this stuff, a little bit more rare than usual. Maybe I could get into sushi besides a California roll. Alright, so we're going to sit here and babysit these bad boys. We're going to go hot and fast and get them nice and seared off. And I'm going to try to work on my little cross hatch marks and all that. So I'll be back when I'm flipping. Alright, so I went on ahead and did that little quarter of a turn, I think. Not too much of a... I got to work on that. I'm gonna flip that over. We're gonna do that in a section because it came apart and it's hot. Yeah, stuff smells amazing. And these is almost done. Going by what they say on TV. So that's looking pretty good. This one, and this one is the Allegro soy lime, and then those 2 are the Uncle Steve Shake, Gator Shake. So yeah, I'm gonna let these go a few more minutes, and then I'm gonna come out here and finish off the rest of that chicken that my son did, because he didn't grill all of it, and then we're gonna be back with a taste. Back in a minute. Alright, so we done. Let these bad boys rested for a couple minutes while I grill up that chicken, and that's done. Everybody done tasted it. Got the seal of approval. The citrus notes stand out, and the Uncle Steve Shake right there. Those 2, and then the rest of these right here were just marinated in the Allegro Marinade soy lime, and that's it. That's that Gator Shake right there. Okay, and then this one right here from Allegro Marinade. So I'm gonna get a little piece of both and let y'all know what I think of it. All right, so we done here. I've been definitely working on my different temps. This is my first time grilling a tuna steak. This is the one with the Uncle Steve's. Still got a little pink in there. I didn't cook it all the way through. I didn't have it looking like it came out of the can. And that was my goal. My son kind of turned me on to not eating it all the way cooked. Now, Uncle Steve got a serious citrus. That's good. It don't even taste fishy. I mean, you can tell it's fish, but it ain't like some overpowering, like cat food. I mean, if they could throw something like at this temperature and some sushi, it'll be on. So, the Allegro Marinade, I don't know if you could see that, but good color and all that. So let's try the Allegro Marinade soy lime. You know what? Both of these are amazing. It probably would have came out a little too salty or over seasoned if I would have used them together. That's why I chose just to use some for one and then the other. But hey, first time doing a grilling up some tuna steaks, and it won't be my last. Appreciate Uncle Steve out there, all the interactions on the live chats. Real cool cat, and can't wait to get up my orders some more. Try some of them different rubs. All right, y'all be cool out there. You know what time it is. In the Smoke with Keenan. It's your boy Keenan. You just joined me on the journey of grilling up my first Ahi Tuna Steaks, and I appreciate y'all checking me out. Appreciate all the support, all the follows, all the subscriptions, you know what I mean, all the comments. I appreciate that very much. It definitely helps me out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and hit that notification bell so you know when your boy's dropping new content. All right, y'all be cool out there. More.